Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to disable the floating screenshot thumbnail on your Mac. So first open Spotlight search and then search for the utility screenshot. Click on it, and over here on the bottom you'll see options. Click on it and then click on show floating thumbnail. Now whenever you take a screenshot, you won't get the floating thumbnail on the bottom right that you used to get. So if I'll show you, for example, if I click on capture, I took the screenshot, but the floating thumbnail is not visible. But the Mac took the screenshot, so I'll show you the screenshot, and here it's right here. This is a screenshot that I just took. So the other way to open the screenshot utility tool is by going to Launchpad and then over here searching for screenshot, then clicking on it, and again you will find the same thing, and you can repeat the process that I told you before. Go to options and click on, if there's no tick mark right next to it, right next to show floating thumbnail, then the floating thumbnail is disabled. If there is a tick mark right next to show floating thumbnail, then it is enabled. Click on it. Now it is disabled again, and when I take a screenshot again, there is no floating thumbnail of the screenshot that I just took. I'll show you again. Here this is the screenshot that I just took. You can see the time on the screenshot and the time on my screen right now. So that is how you disable floating screenshot thumbnails on your Mac. Thank you.